I did a good job. I'm so happy. Fila bello formaggio, vai e vai sopra, sotto e bascia. Hello everybody, today we make a stuffed chicken roll. For the ingredient we got 2 breast chicken, a butterfly already, a pound, a salt and black pepper. We need a breadcrumb, I got a mozzarella cheese, this is a boiled ham, butter, roasted pepper. I did a barbecue outside and I roast and you peel off, it come out so beautiful. You need the flour, I got a spinach. I wash it really good, dry all the water, and I saute the oil and garlic. And I need egg. I use 1 egg for the chicken. Okay, now it's time to stuff for the chicken. And we started with the ham. Now we got the spinach. We spread the spinach all over on top of the ham. Like this. Now we got the pepper. And we put 1 pepper. And now we got mozzarella cheese. You gotta leave a little space over here, do not put too much on this side. And now we gotta roll. Okay, and this one it's done. Okay, now we gotta start to do the chicken. I got the oven at 400 degrees. I got my pots over here. Put the gas on, and I got the egg. I did a scramble, and I put a little water, and salt, and black pepper. Now let's start with the chicken. Now the chicken you gotta be flour. Make sure to put nice and pack really good. You don't want the chicken to open up. And now you got egg, a breadcrumb. You gotta roll on a breadcrumb to make it nice. Okay, now it's a little open, so you need to use the toothpick, use. So you don't need, no use. Okay, the gas it's on, let's start with the oil. And I like to use a little butter. Can make a beautiful color. And we turn this. Now when you do the chicken, I gotta put it now. Make sure the gas is not too high. You gotta keep a low, medium. And now we start to put this one. And this is make sure to turn all around to make a beautiful color. And we put the gas on medium. And we leave it stay nice. Okay, now I did on one side, and let's turn for the other side. And let's see what happens. Oh, look at beauty. This is the beauty, beautiful. Now we turn this other one. Look at this. You think I gotta stay over here watching now for 2 or 3 minutes to put a nice color on the other side? Forget about it. I got my stuff over here.
It's over here.
Oh, you're just going for the bottle.
Oh, Oh, it's over here, boy. I got a good service today. Salute cincina everybody. Che bello bicchiere di vino. E vedi la sei che come cammina. Now we turn this one. Oh, and now straight in the oven. Beautiful. Be nice. I gotta be nice with this. Salute e cin cin. Drink with me a glass of wine. Like this, we have a good time. Salute e cin cin. A salute! Thank you. See you not 21. Go to the cow and get a glass of milk. And I get a nice glass of wine for me. You know why? I'm 81. You 21 and drink milk. Okay, so 25 minutes and the chicken is done. And look how beautiful. Ooh, really, really good. Okay, now it's time to taste this chicken. Quando trippa mia fatta sacca. Now it's time to taste. Let me take out this. Ooh, look at that mozzarella. Beautiful. Nice, nice. Okay, now like I did want to pick a parapam. This, when I eat the chicken, I clean up all my teeth. In other way, after when I clean up my teeth, this is gonna wash machine. And I wash. Okay, now. Mozzarella! Quando sei bella, vedi? Okay, now let me taste. Oh, you can see everything. This is really, really good. And plus, little wine. A salute. It looks good. Now, let's cut and a half over here. Oh, look at this. I did a good job. I'm so happy. Look at that. Look at this. You can see the pepper, spinach, cheese, ham, everything. Look, fila bello formaggio. Vai sotto e bascia. Wow, quanto sei bello. Vedi. Madonna, è come giusto. Okay, now I was a test. This, it's for you, everybody. Everybody look at this. Everybody can taste. It tastes delicious. And with a glass of wine, it tastes much better. Salute e cin cin da everybody. Oh, so nice. Really good. Che bello petto di alline, asciutto bello. Salute, cin cin. Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody. I did so good. Chicken stuffer roll. Roll. Roll, la. Okay, chicken.
Go ahead. Start. 3, 2, go.
You want me to clean up, so I'm cleaning up, so don't look.
Oh, the garçon's done.
La. Pa, pizzolito baccalà. Salute, cin cin. Look at my wife, she left. Come over here. I'll teach you to dance in my rock and roll.